are gonna be opening up this plushy box. Yep, they're tied in the back room. Okay, we're gonna open up this giant meow today. I'm excited, and the one that I really want is chocolate dipped banana cat. So let's just get into it. I'm pretty sure I can open it up by the ears. I don't know though. Ugh. It's so hard to open this thing. It may take me a while. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Yes. Oh my god. Yes, it's the one that I wanted. The banana dipped banana. It's the... Hold up, the chocolate dipped banana cat. Oh my gosh. Look at it. And it's giant. Oh, it's giant. Look at him. Look at that face. It's adorable. Anyway, that's all.
Hey, go in the drugstore.
Yay. Anyways, that's all.
Like the drugstore?
No.
Go sit at the bar.
Yeah. That's it for today, guys.